Indian football is going through one of the messiest phases right now. So let's break it down. Let's unpack what has happened. The 15-year contract between FSDL and AIFF, the backbone of ISL, has officially ended. And when it was time to renew it, AIFF delayed things for months and FSDL slowly took a step back. So AIFF tried a new plan: open ISL to new investors in the public market. The result? Not a single bidder. Even after the date was extended, even after name like Nikhil Kamath floated around. What went wrong? Because earlier, Supreme Court stepped in and told AIFF clearly that you cannot renew the old contract unless and until the new AIFF committee is formed. And this committee changed everything. It says AIFF will get the entire control over the league's decision. Commercial partner will only get one seat in the governing council. Amendments restricted. Implementations delayed till 2026. Now think, why will a company pay 3.75 crore per year if they barely get anything to say in the league's running? This killed many investors' interest. Why this chaos now? The I-Leagues have boycotted the AIFF's meeting. Some have already reached the sports minister. ISL captains have already reached Supreme Court because their career are on stake. The bid evaluation committee, led by Justice Nageshwara Rao, is yet to submit the report. On the other hand, AIFF is saying ISL will happen definitely in the month of January 2026. Details will come in November. But right now, everything is hanging in the air. And here's the truth: Indian football is stuck between legal uncertainty, administrative delays, unhappy clubs, no investors, and confused players. Unless and until AIFF gives stability, no business will touch this league. Call to action. So, what do you think? Is AIFF capable of fixing this and rebuilding the Indian football? Or are we entering the darkest period of football journey? Drop down your thoughts in the comments, because this is about every fan, every club, and every player in the country.